Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Level Up Advisors US LLC. They're looking for a real estate assistant. It pays up to $250,000 a year. We strive to be relentless in negotiating the best possible returns for our investors to offer consistent cash flows that fund lifestyles for generations. We help people and businesses worldwide realize true wealth and will achieve our vision by delivering results with integrity and accountability. Would you be excited about working within this culture? If so, here's the skills that you will need to have to join our team. If you have ever been a real estate broker, agent, wholesaler, or investor, you may be a good fit. However, no experience or licensing is required for this position. As our real estate assistant, we are looking for an acquisition specialist. Your goal is to find properties for the fund to purchase. You'll have freedom, however, you are expected to provide us with a minimum amount of leads per week. Specialties: comfortable building relationships with commercial real estate brokers, diligent following our 365-day follow-up schedule, diligent at receiving and seeking information. You are an early riser. You are attentive. You are comfortable providing market research. You are comfortable segmenting your day. You are comfortable entering information into our CRM and project management systems to be reviewed. Job types: part-time, contract. Pay up to $250,000 per year. Benefits: flexible schedule, professional development assistance, work from home, schedule Monday to Friday, self-determined schedule, weekend availability, supplemental pay types, commission pay. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.